What is going on, Road Warriors? You're right on the HRC with Errol here at High Road Comics, and today we will be going over my new comic book list pickups, or my weekly picks for Wednesday, May 15th, 2019. And this list is courtesy of Comic List, the new comic book releases list, and they say it's the world's greatest comic book shipping information website. I think it's a whole lot more than that. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Check it out. So here, I already know what I'm going to grab. This is actually my second go around doing this video. I forgot to set my hotkey for the scene change. So here you go. So from Boom Studios, the only one I'm going to grab from them is Go-Go Power Rangers number 20. I have to order this one, of course, because my shop's not going to have it. One of my all-time favorite movies, The Iron Giant. Here is the Gleb Mekanoff, sorry, I know I butchered that name, movie variant. Looks fantastic. You got the Megazord holding the Red Ranger in the palm of his hand. Okay, so scrolling down to Dark Horse Comics, I definitely want to get Last Stop on the Red Line. This one looks great. It's a different read from what I'm normally used to, so I definitely want to, a change of pace. I want to start getting a little bit more into the independents, and not so much less on the Marvel, but I could grab those on the back issue, especially if I know they're gonna have a lot. So I don't know if my comic shop's gonna grab this. Hopefully they have them. I'm gonna call them first thing at when they open up at 10 and see if they could hold it for me. So this one, I don't do this for every title, but let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about the synopsis. Detective Migdalia Torres investigates a vicious strangling on a Boston subway car with no feasible ends. As potential evidence produces dead ends, Migdalia inadvertently takes in a vagrant named Yusuf, who may have a supernatural connection to the crime at hand. So this one, like I said, looks different. It's not, just like superheroes, but more in the supernatural stuff, which I definitely like. Scrolling down to DC Comics, Batman feels like it's been a while, but I don't know. I'm not even caught up, but looking forward to it. So here's the cover A and the cover B, the Frank Cho variant. I like the cover B better. High Level number 4. I thought number 4 already came out. Let me see. No, it didn't. So I guess I only have High Level number 3, or is this the second print? Wow. Okay, so grabbing that. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a big week. Justice League number 24. You got cover A with George Jimenez and cover B, Jerome Pena. Definitely like the cover A better. Foreshadowing going on here. I mean, cover B looks great, but in this case, I'm gonna grab the cover A's. For the most part, for Justice League, I've been getting the cover A's. Naomi number 5 finally comes out. Here's to hoping that it's not sold out at my comic shop, and the next day they pump it up for 15 bucks. Good luck with that, selling that Naomi 4, because it definitely doesn't sell near that much, and they still have it in their glass case. Superman number 11. You got the Ivan Reis and Joe Prado variant, cover A, and cover B, Adam Hughes. So I definitely like the cover A better on this one. Rogol Zar looking fierce, and it's not just Superman, but it looks like Superboy and Supergirl are also can be terrorized by Rogol. We got Superman number 11, the Adam Hughes variant. Dope cover, but I definitely like that cover A. And that's all I'm grabbing for Superman, or for DC Comics. So scrolling down, Dynamite Entertainment. Let's see what they got. Nothing. Just hoping for some John Wick action since it's coming out this week. We got IDW titles. Thinking about grabbing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder in Hell on the Rewind, but I'll just wait until they're all out and try to catch a deal on eBay. Image Comics, we got Gideon Falls number 13, cover A, Andrea Sorrentino, and cover B, the Walta. I'm probably going to go with cover A on this one. For the most part, I have mostly cover A's because they're pretty badass. And yeah, cover B, that one actually looks pretty cool. Oblivion Song number 15. And that's it. For Marvel Comics, we got Amazing Spider-Man number 21. I'm just gonna go with the cover A on that. Humberto Ramos. I'm surprised that Craven's still going. And that's it. Daredevil number 5. The Tedesco covers are badass, and Chip Zdarsky is doing a great job of writing them, so I'm grabbing that. I'm thinking about grabbing this miniseries for Giant Man. Yeah, looks dope. Guardians of the Galaxy number 5. Hella cool. Get it? We got Immortal Hulk number 17. This week's gonna hurt the wallet. Major X number 2, second printing. I'm grabbing it. I'm all in on the Liefeld. Plus this cover is pretty cool. The guns are so long. Weird. Spider-Man Life Story number 3 comes out. I think it's the 80s. Bunch of Star Wars. Uncanny X-Men number 18. War of the Realms number 4. Let's go ahead and check out all the covers. We got cover A, Arthur Adams and Matthew Wilson. Cover B, Greg Hildebrandt. Connecting variant, cool. Aaron Cooter, Young Guns variant. Billy Tan, International variant. Victor Hugo. I know not all these images are going to load, but let's go ahead and check them out. Here's cover A. Oh. Wow. Cover B, and all these Hildebrandt covers have been pretty cool. Young Guns variant. The Tan International. And no picture for Hugo. Going with cover A. War of the Realms, Journey in Mystery number 1, second printing. Ooh, here's one. War of the Realms, Spider-Man and the League of Realms number 1. We have a Lashley cover A and a Cully Hamner cover B. So here's cover A. Grabbing it. And cover B. Going with cover A. War of the Realms, Strike Force, The War Avengers number 1. So cover A, Kim Jacinto, and cover B, Nick Bradshaw. Here's cover B, which I like. Oh no. Yeah, cover B. And cover A, which I like the best. Grabbing that. And Web of Venom, Cult of Carnage #1 goes to second printing. I just want to take a look at that cover. I might grab it. Alright, let's see if there's anything else. Ani Press, Valiant, and Viz. That's it. That's all I got. So please let me know in the comment section below. Do you think I'm pulling too much? Do you think I need to give a little bit less love to Marvel? We'll see. So like I talk about it with my LCS guy all the time. Like I feel weird like spending a lot of money on a stack of papers, and he said as long as you're reading and enjoying it, that's all that matters. Of course he's gonna say that because I'm bringing my business to him, but it's true. As long as I'm enjoying it, this hobby, everything like that, I'm all in. So yep, that's all I got. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Putting out a video every day. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. So I'll see you at the next stop. This is High Road Comics. See you at the finish line.